Welcome to Wonderland. I am the Queen of Hearts, mother of Princess Red. Join me as I get ready to take over Auradon Prep, a place where villains go soft. We can't have that now, can we? Not on my watch. I've already prepped and primed my face and applied foundation. So moving right on to the eyes, I'm using this cream red shadow from Urban Decay. With a flat brush, I'm applying it to the eyelids in a cat-eyed shape. Also underneath my eyelids, connecting them all together. Taking a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to apply this MAC shadow in Ruddy right over the cream shadow, locking it all in. Then I'm going to line my eyes with some black liner. I'm using this waterproof one from Rimmel London. Time to curl those lashes for some lift. Then I'm going to apply this voluminous waterproof mascara from L'Oreal, starting at the bottom of my lash line, wiggling upwards. Today I decided to use some false lashes, so I'm using these Kiss Wispy eyelashes in Pompadour. Applying some super strong hold eyelash adhesive, I'm allowing it to get nice and tacky. Then I'm applying it as close to the lash line as possible, adjusting with tweezers. Bat those beautiful eyes. Now I'm going over everything with some epic ink liner from NYX Cosmetics. Now it's time for the fun part, adding some sparkle and shine. I'm using these red adhesive gems and glitter I got as a gift from the Mad Hatter. You may find them at the craft store. Taking some clear adhesive, I'm going to apply some dots right around the eyeshadow. Then apply the gems. I'm going to apply some more adhesive in the space between the gems. And carefully add some glitter. With an angled brush and some black and brown shadow, I'm going to fill in and define my brows. Bold and villainous. Using my fingers, I'm going to go back into that cream shadow and apply it to the apples of my cheeks, blending it upwards towards my hairline. Mixing my red and maroon lip liners from Lawless, I'm going to outline my lips. Then I'm going to fill them in with some liquid lipstick from L'Oreal in Feathery Fleur for that perfect pout. Mwah. And there is your ravishing royal look. You know, I was different once, desperately wanting to be a queen that everyone would adore. It is better to be feared than loved. Love, ain't it? Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this Queen of Hearts tutorial. I absolutely loved Rita Ora as the Queen of Hearts in Disney Descendants 4. Rise of Red is what my little girl has been obsessing over lately, so I'm so happy I got to do this look. I have another one coming, but I just love all of Disney Descendants, period. I was actually so blessed to be able to work with the original cast of Disney's Descendants. I've had such a blast with them. I got to hang out with them at Disneyland, got to interview them, and I actually got to play a Descendant myself. I was Jordan, daughter of the genie, for Jordan's Blue Carpet Minute on the Disney Channel. And so I have all these different videos here on my channel if you guys would like to check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, you are beautiful, baby, so shine like a star.